Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm going to be your tour guide today. We are at the Venetian in Las Vegas. I'm here with my cousin Michelle. We have a beautiful suite in the South Tower. We are supposed to be staying in this room for 2 nights, but we're kind of interested in seeing if we could get into the Palazzo. There's nothing wrong with this room. It's all remodeled. It's beautiful. But I never stayed at the Palazzo before, so I want to stay there and get a video and take you guys with me. I would like to make a video comparing the 2 hotels. The Venetian and the Palazzo are 2 hotels side by side. They share amenities and pools. They are connected through the Grand Canal shops. Most people that are traveling on vacation don't want to change rooms, but me and my cousin do. We like to make new memories. First, we're going to have breakfast at the Grand Lux Cafe. There is one of these in the Venetian and there is one in the Palazzo. This is the one that is in the Venetian. The one in Venetian is open 24 hours a day and you could get breakfast around the clock. There is a very large regular menu, but if you come in the morning, I suggest going to the buffet. It's $24.95, I believe, and it's really good. It's not a very overwhelmingly big buffet, but the food is really good, really fresh, and it's an excellent value, especially for Las Vegas. It comes with all your drinks as well. And fresh made omelets. I love this one. Highly recommend this. So we talked to the Venetian front desk, and for a $50 upgrade fee, which I was happy to pay, we're able to move over to the Palazzo. Palazzo also has its own front desk. It's a similar setup as Wynn and Encore if you've ever been there before. Because we were checking into a new hotel and it was both of our birthdays, we received a voucher for free champagne. We also received this yesterday when we checked into the Venetian. We had our champagne at Bar Luca, which is a poker bar at the Palazzo. Had a pretty full day so far. I already gambled 3 hours, went to breakfast, moved hotels, had champagne. It's only 10 a.m. That's how we roll. Oh, I'm so excited. I've never been to the Palazzo before. This is really cool. I was in love right away. It was very easy getting to. The hallways were bright and open. My cousin and I are in Las Vegas for 4 nights. We're supposed to stay in the Venetian for 4 nights, but something happened. It's a long story. I explain it on video 1, which I just published yesterday. You'll have to go back if you want to hear that story and listen to it there. This video is about the Palazzo.
I love it. It's so nice.
We just moved to the Palazzo and we're so much happier here. It's so much brighter. Look, all the lights aren't even on, Michelle.
It's fantastic.
This is so great. And look at this. Let's do the dramatic view. Yes. It's electronic.
Watch.
Whoa. Check this out. We had a view of a pool, the garden pool, which was really nice, but oh my gosh, this view is so much better. And you can see all the pools from here. These are all the Palazzo pools. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look at all those. Our personal favorites are the ones that are back here. Not a lot of people know about them and they're adult only. And there's a little hot tub right there and 2 pools. In the summer, they might be cabana only. I'm not sure, but right now we're able to go there. It is currently June 2nd, I think it is today.
Oh, you can close the drapes from here too.
Oh my gosh.
You want me to close them?
Sure.
Come over here.
Whee! Oh my God, we get so excited about changing hotel rooms. If you're new to the Venetian and the Palazzo, all the rooms are suites. This is an entry-level room. This is the basic, cheapest room that you're gonna get. There was a $50 upgrade for us, even though Michelle had comp rooms, because the Palazzo generally is a little more expensive than the Venetian. Size-wise, they are both the same, but honestly, I like this room better. It was definitely brighter, and I liked having a view of Las Vegas. It's nice having a view of the pool, but you really don't feel like you're in Las Vegas. Both rooms had robes, which was really cool, especially when you're walking through the whole hotel to go to the pool. It's nice to have something to put on over you. There was a safe, and they had some fancy hangers in there. Let's go check out the bathroom. Similar, exactly, actually, size-wise as the other one. And this one's not remodeled, but there was nothing wrong with it. I couldn't find anything wrong with this. There was no broken furniture, no chipped paint. Everything was really nice. Tomorrow we have plans to move over to the Cosmo. It's going to be really hard to leave here. I really like this room. Even has a TV in the bathroom. You could take a bubble bath and watch TV. There is 3 TVs all together. I'm really looking forward to making a video about the difference about staying in the Venetian and the Palazzo. I have a lot to say. I just can't fit it all on this video tour. We had 2 queen beds. The beds were really comfortable. The lighting was fantastic. I really love the room. Also in this video tour today, I'm going to be taking you out to the pool. We're going to be going to the pool that I showed you before that we really like. Okay, I have to show you the refrigerator situation. In this room, there was none. There was just the refrigerator that has the snacks that you pay for. If you are new to Las Vegas, do not touch any of this. It's on a sensor. Even if you don't drink it, if you move it, you may be charged for it. It's important to know that. My cousin Michelle is skipping. I know she really likes it here. If you see her skipping, she's really happy. Yeah, look at this view. I'm pretty happy with this. It's going to look beautiful at night. Over to the left is the former Mirage, which is going to be the Hard Rock Hotel. Right down the elevator brought us right to the Palazzo pool. That was so great. Where we were staying before, we had quite a hike to get over here. Very, very easy. I like the pools at the Palazzo better than the Venetian. But if you are staying at the Palazzo, you could use the Venetian pools. And if you're staying at Venetian, you could use the Palazzo pools. During our stay, the pools were open to 7 p.m., though they do have a pool at the Venetian, the garden pool, that is open till 10 o'clock, I believe. Though remember, times may vary. Just because I'm saying it's 10 doesn't mean it's 10, so check with the hotel directly if you need to know that for sure. Also by the Palazzo pools, you're going to find Capri Restaurant that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They also have hostess that will come around and take your drink and food orders. We were visiting the pool towards the end of the day. My cousin and I both had to work during the day. So we're going to go upstairs and get dressed for happy hour. So easy. You just literally go right up the elevator, right to your room. First place we went was Lavo. This is located right off Palazzo lobby. They have a social hour from 8 o'clock till 10 o'clock. It's not happy hour, it's social hour later. Usually happy hour is at what, from 4 to 6, 4 to 7? This is from 8 to 10. And if you're shocked by the prices, how high they are, this is really good for Vegas. Vegas, everything is way more expensive than your hometown. Trust me. I ordered the Lavolini. We sat at the bar. Cheers. For these drink prices, you have to sit at the bar or the high tops. They gave us bread and vegetables to start with. And we ordered the fried mozzarella with the side of sauce. They look like meatballs, but there's cheese inside. They were yummy. I had little bubble tea bubbles on the bottom of my drink. And that's all we ordered because we want to go try Yarbird as well tonight. Yarbird is located in the Grand Canal shops in between the Venetian and the Palazzo. This was my choice. I looked at this menu and I'm like, oh yes, I love this kind of food. I was done drinking for the day. I've been up since 4 in the morning, but my cousin ordered a rum drink. But look how fancy this is. It was really cool. I was like ready to fall asleep, honestly. I was like, this is like 10 o'clock at night. I'm like ready for bed at like 8. My cousin's ready to party and go to the casino. We had macaroni and cheese. And the biscuits, oh my gosh, these were so good. I loved it all, but my absolute favorite was the street corn. This, if you come here, you have to get this. If you like spicy food and flavorful food, this was fantastic. Been wanting to come to Yarbird for a long time. I could finally cross it off my list. Maybe, I may want to repeat this one. I really like it here. I was really tired, but we really wanted to see the Sphere. You could go outside and see the Sphere from the Venetian and the Palazzo. It's very easy to get to. It was a decent view, but because of the lights, by the time we got out there was this glass wall and there was a big glare. So I'm going to go out there first thing in the morning tomorrow. But that will be my next video. We're going to go take a walk and see the Sphere. Now we're going to play some video poker.
My chair is spinned. We're both playing poker.
This footage was filmed earlier in the day after we had breakfast. I'm trying to arrange my videos so that the gambling could be at the end in case someone watching's not interested. Then you could click off and I'll see you on the next video. The rest of this video is going to be about my video poker and slot play that day.
I'm doing it right? Yeah, I shouldn't go for the straight. Okay. No.
If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, can you do me a favor and please like the video? And to see more of my video tours about Las Vegas and other casino towns, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll leave some playlists at the end of this video of more of my video tours about Las Vegas. Places to stay, things to do. I have video vlogs of what I do in a day so you can see what you could do while you're in Las Vegas. And casino tours as well, so you can figure out what you want to play before you even get here. I'm typically a minimum bet player. I travel all the time and I'm always at casinos and I don't favor any of them. I play at them all. So I have to watch my money somehow. Otherwise, I'm not going to play at any of them and I'm not going to be able to travel. But my cousin Michelle doesn't travel as much. So when she comes, she hits it hard. But she gets free rooms everywhere. So it works out great for both of us. I walked around for a little while. I played some other games. But I'm going to try the Whitney Houston game. They have this at Hard Rock in Atlantic City. I'm going to put $20 in. It's $1 a spin.
So $1 a spin. And it's one of those pots. Not doing too great here. But I'm hopeful. Come on. Let's do this. Aw, bummer.
I eventually ran out of money and I put another $100 bill in because I have to pop this thing.
Finally. Oh my gosh. I think I put 50 bucks in this thing. So let's see what happens. Press to spin. Finally. Three spins remaining. Okay. Oh, I hope I get something here. 2 spins. Oh my god. 1 spin left. Ah, that's it. Oh, that's heartbreaking. $10? Okay.
Yeah, gambling for me at the Venetian and Palazzo wasn't very lucrative. Lost maybe $200, which really isn't that bad. But I had a really good time and I stayed in beautiful suites. I cannot wait to do a video of comparison of the two. Tomorrow we're going to be going to the Cosmo. We're going to be spending 2 nights there. We're going to have some video tours of those 2 places. We're going to stay in 2 separate rooms there as well. 4 nights, 4 different suites. It's the only way we roll. So if you're enjoying this, please tune in on my other videos. And if you want to subscribe, that would be awesome. But if you want to go to Las Vegas, if you've never been here before and you're just finding my videos, maybe it's just meant to be because I'm going to be your biggest motivator to go to Las Vegas because I truly love it. But more than I love Las Vegas, I love memories. I love creating new challenges for myself, doing better things, crossing off the bucket list. And I'm here to motivate other people to do the same. I think that's my calling. I think that's why I started my channel. Yeah, I have to bail out of here.
Michelle broke the machine.
Son of a bitch.
She was in the middle of a bonus round.
Yeah, collecting coins.
They were able to fix it and she received her bonus. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Make sure you book that trip to Las Vegas and you pack your bags and you go. Las Vegas is awesome and you deserve to be here. Always remember to be well to yourself and kind to others. Safe travels to you and good luck in the casinos.